Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to today's session. In today's video, we are going to talk about the African writer Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. So let's get started. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is a Nigerian author and public speaker. She was born in September 15, 1977. She has given talks on a wide range of topics including feminism, race and global politics, and her TED Talk, The Danger of a Single Story, has been viewed millions of times and has been widely praised for its insight into the ways that stories can shape our perceptions of the world. Now let's talk about Adichie's major works. First one is Purple Hibiscus, 2003. Half of a Yellow Sun, 2006. The Thing Around Your Neck, 2009, Americana, 2013, We Should All Be Feminist, 2014, Dear E.J. Vele, or A Feminist Manifesto in 15 Suggestions, 2017. Now we are going to talk about major works in more detail one by one. So let's talk about Purple Hibiscus first. Purple Hibiscus is the debut novel published in 2003 by Adichie. This novel is set in post-colonial Nigeria in the 1990s during a time of political unrest. Here we have a protagonist named as Kambili Achike, who is 15 years old girl. Next character is Eugene, who is the father of Kambili Achike. Eugene is a wealthy businessman and devout Catholic. This novel won Commonwealth Writers' Prize and it is adapted into a stage play in 2015 by the UK's Royal National Theatre. Do you know about the title of this novel? The title, Purple Hibiscus, refers to a rare and beautiful flower that Kambli's father grows in their garden. If we talk about the novel's theme, then the novel explores themes of religion, family and political corruption. Adichie has stated that the novel was partly inspired by her own experiences growing up in Nigeria. Next and second novel of Adichie is Half of a Yellow Sun. Half of a Yellow Sun was published after 3 years of Purple Hibiscus. It was published in 2006 and it is Adichie's second novel. This novel is set during the Nigerian Civil War, which is also known as the Biafran War, in the late 1960s. And the title, Half of a Yellow Sun, refers to the flag of the short-lived Republic of Biafra, which seceded from Nigeria during the war. This novel follows the lives of several characters, including twin sisters Olanna and Kainene, Ugwu and Odonikbo. So there are four important characters I mentioned here: Olanna, Kainene, Ugwu and Odenigbo.
Next work is The Thing Around Your Neck. The Thing Around Your Neck, published in 2009. It is a collection of short stories. It explores the lives of Nigerians both in Nigeria and in the United States. We can get the themes like identity, culture clash and immigrant experiences in this collection. Next work is Americana. It was published in 2013 and it is a novel which won National Book Critics Circle Award in the same year of its publication. The major characters are Ifemelu, who is a protagonist, and next character is Owens, who is the boyfriend of Ifemelu. The novel has been widely praised for its insightful and incisive commentary on race and racism in America. Next work is We Should All Be Feminist. This non-fiction essay, based on a TED Talk Adichie gave in 2013. Explores the importance of gender equality and argues that feminism is essential for creating a more just and equal world. So it's talk about gender equality. It is based on a TED talk by Adichie. And it talks about the definition of feminism. Next and last work of today's video is Dear Ijewele, or a Feminist Manifesto in 15 Suggestions. It was published in 2017. Before becoming a book, it was a personal email written by Ngozi Adichie in response to her friend Ijewele. It is written in epistolary form manifesto. In this book, Adichie offers advice to a friend on how to raise her daughter as a feminist. The book offers practical suggestions for creating a more equitable society for women. In today's video, we talked about Nigerian author and public speaker Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. We talked about her major works. Firstly, we talked about Purple Hibiscus, which is the novel appeared in 2003. Next, Half of a Yellow Sun 2006, it is also a novel. Then in 2009, The Thing Around Your Neck, which is a short story collection. After that, we talked about Americana, which was published in 2013. It is also a novel. Then we talked about We Should All Be Feminists. It is an essay which appeared in 2014. And lastly, we talked about Dear Ijewele, or a Feminist Manifesto in 15 Suggestions. It is also an essay which was published in 2017. So thank you so much everyone. If you liked the video, then like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much everyone.